So we're here to see your house. You drove 700 hours to get here. No, it wasn't 700, but it was a while. So, right?
4.5 hours.
Okay. So this is a big moment. This is very exciting. I hope it's worth it.
I can't believe it's happening.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Long time.
I know.
Long time.
I know. So what are you most looking forward to in what you're seeing today? Just kind of seeing it take shape in general, or like getting a feel for a particular space, or what was your thought?
I just want to see the whole thing. I want to smell the wood.
That's right. Yeah.
Let's do it. And I can't believe.
Just don't kiss it. You might get a splinter or something like that.
Well,
okay,
if
that would be bad.
I cry, you might have to edit it.
All right, let's get in there.
I'll try not to get emotional, but it's very exciting.
Absolutely, it's very exciting. All right, let's get. Here we are.
This is it.
This is the house. It's not done. Don't worry. Okay.
Oh my goodness, they do it quite quickly, huh?
That's right. So they're putting. They're about to put the roof up on there right now.
I gotta take pictures for my 87-year-old dad that's home.
He didn't want to come?
No.
No?
He wanted to stay home and watch his mystery shows because my mother's with me.
He's not quite able to do it, so.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, so tell us, what did you build? How many square feet is this thing? What's the roof line?
1380.
Okay.
The roof line is 912.
912, okay. So you got an upstairs then with the 912.
Yes.
So that's nice, okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
What are you going to use the upstairs for?
To put all my grandchildren up there when I don't want to hear them.
Okay, so there will be a door is what we're saying.
Yes.
Okay, all right, cool.
But there's a lock on the door, right? I did that for this house.
Deadbolt, for sure.
Yeah,
Yep.
and I believe it's a chalet.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yep.
Yeah. So let's go in here. So which side? Let's go in on this side. Let's go over here.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm going to start crying.
So they like to set up the whole thing while it's in the factory, okay? So most factories don't do that, and it's just difference in how they choose to go about things. It's not a right or wrong or anything like that. It's just differences. So they put it together as though it's completely together, right? Okay. They want to make sure that those end panels, like this big open space right here, is going to be an end panel that the crane's going to pick up and set into place when the house is being set, right? And so you can see this board on here, okay? Because it's just to keep it from shifting a little bit while they're putting things together.
Right.
So this is, you'll see exactly how it's together once it's on your site, but that's how they like to build it because they find that it really comes together the best way for them. And so you can see, well, it's actually kind of hard to see right here specifically, but you can kind of see it here where the roof hinges down. You can see the bolt there, that's where it's going to hinge down. And so this piece right here is going to come out, and they'll set that when the house is being set, and then even this piece here is going to come out and be set when the house is being set. So they build it exactly how it's going to be set, and that ladder won't be up there for a sec, don't worry. Okay. But this makes it nice because then they get to see exactly how everything's going to come together. But that's why if you did like a 12-12 pitch on the roof, they want to do it as a first floor and a second floor and build it that way, because then they can set the whole thing up. This is 912, this is as high as they can go with the structure. Hi. So let's go around here.
This is the end closest to Becca and Joel. So my bedroom.
You can tell already?
Yeah, I can tell because there's no windows on this
right,
side.
okay.
And the electrical panel is
There
put
you
in
go.
the right place.
That's right, that's right. So they put that up here partially because that's generally where it's probably going to be when the house is being delivered. They'll wrap it all up and everything like that. But they want to make sure the lines that they run are all run, good length and that for it.
I'm going to take a picture of that.
For sure.
So this is the window to this is the front of the house. So this is your bedroom, Mom, when you come down. Or Debbie.
Look at that.
This is the
You can't crawl in this way though, okay? You got to go in through the front door. It's not polite to just walk in the window.
Right? You can't see. Oh. Nice size window.
So here's our front door then.
Yep.
Hey. I'll let you go first. It's your house after all.
Okay. Thank you.
They tend to keep pretty clean, but just watch your step. Make sure you don't step on a nail or something like that. But it should be pretty clean.
Cool.
So we're in the foyer, right?
Yep.
So we got a closet.
Yep.
Closet space here. And then we walk around. Which way should we go first? Let's go this way first. Putting in the electrical boxes right now for all your outlets and switches and stuff like that.
Yep. And then this is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
I gotta take pictures.
You for sure have to take pictures. We're gonna take your picture in here.
Oh, no.
Come on. So you can see here's some of the LVLs that are in there right now. See them?
Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Cool. So then this is one box, right?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. You can see down through the floor and stuff as well. And then here's your living room space. Look at the size of this. That's a big window. That's a big window.
Let's see. So this is going to be the common, right? Yes. Yep. Oh, that's a great size window.
Should get some dry erase markers and draw it on the window. In the pond, you know?
So then this is the sink window. The sink will go there. And then there will be the stove.
Okay.
So I have two windows looking out, and then over here will be the refrigerator, and then there's an island.
So that's why they got the box up top, right? Is for the vent.
Yep.
I wasn't checking your work, Andy. Don't worry.
You're doing a great job. Thank you so much. I'm actually very excited about the size of the windows because I was concerned that they might be a little too small.
No way.
But
No way. They're big.
they're a nice size.
The only one that I always, the two places that I get a little in my head about in terms of window size is over a sink, and then if you're trying to do like a soaker tub, like that window as well. Those are the two that I get more concerned about. But I mean, generally speaking, the windows are all enormous. So, you know, it's more so just the the vertical placement of the window.
That it was
This is the sink here, right?
Yeah.
That's nice and low.
Yeah.
That's nice and low. They're not always that low.
Right.
I like that.
Renee's is...
Yeah, Renee's is higher. That's right, yeah.
She said, you know, check that out, so be able to see the pond. And
Yeah, so
look at
that's
these
like
nice
almost right at
stairs.
countertop height, isn't it?
It is. Yep, it is.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
I like it.
Because if it's this high, then you're losing...
Yeah, I get it, for sure. Yeah, it also matters what the view is, right? If there's nothing to see down, then who cares, you know? if the view is up, then that's where you're going to be looking anyway, you know?
Right, yeah. And then the fireplace will go
In between the windows?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Fireplace you have? Propane. Yep. After watching Mom load up the fireplace this winter, I'm like, I'm only getting older, so no, I'm not going to do that. So. And it's 9-inch ceilings.
Well, 9 foot,
9.
actually. Thankfully, they're not 9-inch. They would be, they'd be way down here. That would be rough. That would be really rough. You'd be crawling through the house and stuff.
You know what I meant. And then the stairs are going to be over here going up. Okay.
Yeah, so you can see they got the cut here on the floor for the basement.
Yep.
And then, so where's our entrance into the stairs for the basement? Is that it over here?
Yes.
Right across from the, I mean, technically kind of across from the front door. How does that?
Yep.
Yeah, so we come in. Yeah. That'll make loading stuff into the basement very easy. Just a straight run right down in.
Right.
That's great.
Yep. Yep. And then that is a door.
Yep.
Yep.
Is that going to be full glass or
I think it's half.
is it half? What about this one over here?
Full.
That's full. Okay. I do like a door in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And obviously if it makes sense for the, you know, the land and what's happening on the property, but I do really like that a lot.
Right. Usually chalets has 2 French doors.
Sure.
So, but this is supposed to look like a farmhouse.
It's going to be great.
Because I'm a country girl.
Yeah. What's the siding? What are you doing for the siding?
Probably hardy plan.
Oh, you are? Okay.
I think.
Okay. You got a color in mind?
I think it's gonna be white
Okay.
with the black windows, and then maybe some type of maybe wood shutter,
Okay.
natural
Ooh.
or something like that. I'm not
I like
sure.
that.
something
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that.
Yep.
I've been thinking about that too. Yeah. I like that. That'll be nice.
Yeah, Jess is pushing. She couldn't make it. She had to work, but she
Okay.
says hi.
Okay. So there's
All
work
right.
on the way. All right, where are we going? Here, let's go down the hall. All right, so we got a
Bathroom,
doorway into the bathroom.
sink over here.
Is that what it is? Sink over here.
Yep. Toilet there.
And then shower.
And the shower.
Okay.
And then this is a little cubby that I can maybe do some type of something.
Oh, nice.
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
But this is walk-in. That's that will.
That'll be good.
Yep.
Okay.
So you'll have a bathroom, your own bathroom,
This just keeps getting better.
right? That's a good size. Very nice. Yeah, this is actually bigger than the master. Oh. Yeah.
You get a bigger room.
Right.
She must really like you.
Yep. Yep. Because originally it was the hall was going to go all the way to the end to get to the garage, attached garage, but we changed that. So I got a larger closet. Walk-in
Yeah,
closet.
so if we go out, I mean, we can go wherever we want. There's no walls, but here's your door in to your room. And then we walk in, we have the closet here. So closet here. Nice big closet. Were we doing barn doors up in the closet? That's right.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So this will be great.
Be fantastic.
Yep.
Think of all the things you can store in here.
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. And I like having a U like that.
Yep.
That'll be great.
And then this is what I'm most excited about.
Okay, tell us about this.
This is going to be my washer and dryer.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I'm a senior citizen.
I like that too. I had somebody do that a few years ago. Put the washer and dryer. They put it right in their closet actually.
Yeah.
Because they didn't have any kids or anything like that they had to worry about. So I'm like, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Right?
So I think it's side by side.
I feel like if it was right in my closet, I might have a hard time actually putting anything away. I just leave it in piles, you know.
When you get done with it, you just walk out of the
Just
bedroom
toss it. Just toss it.
and put it in the washer.
That's right.
Washer and hamper all in one. This is her walk-in closet. Okay.
And then this is the bathroom space here, right?
Yes. Yep.
And then what's going on this? What's the door that we're doing on this? Do you remember off the top of your head, or do we need to look at our plans? We can look at the
This
plans.
is your bathroom?
This is the bathroom. Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying
So then
to think,
shower
I think
here.
it's a pocket door.
Is that what it was? Oh, that makes sense because that's why they have it framed out so big
Yeah.
then.
So this
Yeah.
will be a pocket.
Because the door has to sit inside the wall. There has to be space beside the doorway for the door when it's open.
So then toilet there.
Toilet here.
vanity here.
Vanity here,
Yep.
and then shower
and then
here.
A walk-in shower. Nice.
And then you got a shower guy, right? Somebody's doing the shower for you.
My
It's gonna be
brother-in-law.
amazing. Wonderful.
Van Houten Construction, Long Island, New York.
Perfect. It's a perfect project here.
Yeah, he likes to do all that.
Now, did you have to beg and plead, or did he ask if he could do it for you?
I asked him if he would do it, and he said yes.
Okay. How many cookies were involved?
A couple packages of Oreos, because he loves Oreos. So I
Okay.
bribed him that way.
Okay.
So you'll get sunsets here, right?
Ooh,
Yep.
I like that.
Down over the bank, right?
Well, then you can sleep in.
Yeah.
Oh,
right?
but I guess we were learning Mom can't sleep in though.
Right.
Because she's gonna be making you breakfast in the morning, right? So she's got to get up
What you gotta do?
to make.
Yep. Yep. So I had a smaller bedroom so I could get a larger closet.
That's right.
And have my washer and dryer. So what do you do in the bedroom?
Yeah.
It's just me and Henry.
Right.
My dog.
Right. Yeah. I mean, you don't. I'm all about that too. I mean, I don't want to feel like I'm super tight in the bedroom, but I don't. That's all you need it for. So.
I'm going to a smaller size bed. I'm going from a king to probably
Oh.
full.
How you gonna feel about that?
Great, because then all my grandkids will not be sleeping with me. They'll be sleeping.
Okay. Or they'll be packed in there.
Yeah, right? No, it will be probably full. Yep. Full or queen, but yeah. So.
This would be great. Okay, so I got to get a feel for that vaulted ceiling space then. So let's go back over here. So we go back in this way, and then this is all vaulted in here. This is all going to come out. It's just here for shipping purposes. And so you can see, I mean, basically where these LBLs is, right? That's, you can see where the transition goes in from the vaulted ceiling to the loft. So you got your stairs up right here. They come up right next to the loft. So those will all be exposed. It's gonna be beautiful. Hey, thanks so much for watching this walkthrough video in the factory with the homeowner. It's always exciting. It's usually a little bit hard to hear, but you get the gist of it. It's really, really fun. It's a cool experience to have, to be able to walk through your home while it's under construction in a controlled environment. It's the middle of winter and we're walking through a totally dry home under construction. It's a beautiful thing. So as always, feel free to reach out to us, leave any comments below that you have about this particular home or your particular project, whatever it might be. We'll make sure to document this house along the way. Hopefully we'll be able to be there on set day and then maybe even see it once it's finished as well. Can't wait. Thanks again for watching.